Look at this, students. Let us recall basics of your lower classes. Already I explained these things in your basic classes. Let us recall them once again. 0 to 90 degree, 90 to 180 degree, 180 to 270, 270 to 360 degree. One full round covers 360 degree. ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 360 720 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ so 0 to 90 it is first quadrant. So if I write 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta, if I subtract an acute angle from 90 degree, that angle should be in first quadrant. 90 degree ಇಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ acute angle ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Theta must be acute. So when theta is acute, when theta is acute, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, it is the angle in first quadrant. 90 minus theta, it is the angle in first quadrant. 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, we are crossing 90 plus means we are crossing the vertical line 90 degree. It must be in second quadrant. So 90 degree plus theta, second quadrant. Up to here it is 180 degree. Go back. 180 degree minus theta means second quadrant. 180 degree minus theta, second quadrant. Anti-clockwise ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಯು ಮೂವ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಯು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ you go for this quadrant. That is, if it is minus, you come to that quadrant which is back. Right? Plus is a munduk hogi. If it is plus, you go forward. If it is minus, you come backward. That quadrant, backward quadrant, forward quadrant. 180 plus theta, 180 degree plus theta, 180 plus third quadrant. 180 degree, 270 degree minus theta, again it is third quadrant. 270 degree plus theta, fourth quadrant. So 360 degree minus theta, 360 minus, coming backward. If I come backward, it is fourth quadrant. 360 plus theta, 360 degree plus theta, it is in first quadrant. I hope you understood, students. Again, function changes for the angles 90 degree and 270 degree. So function remains same. Function remains same for the angles 180 degree and 360 degree. So 180 degree and 360 degree. You remember, you practicing these basics, very important, necessary. Let us go for taking some sine 90 degree minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. First you decide sine. ಮೊದಲು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 90 minus theta ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. In first quadrant all are positive. Sine positive है. A function changing or not changing? Changing. Because 90 degrees appearing according to that. 90 degree ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. So tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Secant becomes cosecant, secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant. So in this way functions changes. Now sine should become cos, sine cos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos you had only acute angle. Cos theta ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, theta ಹಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So tan 270 degree plus theta. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲು. 270 degree plus theta. Which quadrant is that? Fourth quadrant. Mind alle count ಮಾಡಿ. You count everything in mind itself. So right, count that in mind. Right. So right. 270 degree plus theta. It is in I think fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Tan is negative. Tan is negative. Function changes or not changes? It changes. Tan becomes what? Cot theta. Already I explained these things in your basic classes. One more. So you take secant of 360 degree minus theta. Secant of 360 minus theta. And now 360 degree minus theta. 360 means one full round. Plus theta means we will go to first quadrant. Minus theta means we will fall in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, secant, cos and secant are positive. ASTC. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Plus, function will not change because we have 360 degree. I should write it as secant theta. So I take one more. So write cos 180 degree plus theta. Cos 180 degree plus theta. Look at this, students. 180 plus, count in mind. 90, 180 plus. It is in third quadrant. 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot, ASTC. All students taking coffee. According to that, cos is negative. Function changing or not changing? It is not changing because we have 180 degree. So it is cos only. Next you have theta. I hope you understood these things well, students. So little there is one more. So look at this, students. So right. One more point. Look at this. If I move, this is 0 degree, 90, 180, so on. Right. If I move in anti-clockwise direction is also called as positive direction. Angle should be. So if I measure angles in anti-clockwise direction, we should take them as positive angles. All angles in anti-clockwise direction should be positive. If I think of clockwise direction, I should take negative angle. So 9 theta. This is minus theta. Because the direction is clockwise. I use this. From this, you look at this. Sine minus theta. Minus theta, it is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sign of this value should be negative. Sign value should be negative. Means minus sign. You write only the theta. Same thing. By head. These things are useful. ಅಲ್ಲಿ theta ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Minus theta ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್? fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಸೈನ್ ಬರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಬರೀ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ cos minus theta. Cos minus theta. Again minus theta it is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant all cos values must be positive. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ cos theta. Cos theta. ಫೋರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ cos of any angle should take positive value in fourth quadrant. Sin of any angle should take negative value in fourth quadrant. Sin of any angle should take negative angle in fourth quadrant. Cos of any angle should take positive in fourth quadrant. ಅದೇ ತರ tan theta. So tan so minus theta. Again it is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan value negative. Minus tan theta. These values are also very important, students. So you just note them and by heart. You note them and by heart. Okay. Students, here I am going to discuss one more basic point. So one more basics. So look at this, very important. 0 up here it is 90 radius pi by 2. It is pi 3 pi by 2. Next 2 pi. Next 2 pi. One full round means 2 pi, 360 degree. If I continue rounding once again, so I will go for second round. Second round, for 2 rounds means 360 plus 360. How much is 360 plus 360? 720. That is 2 pi. One full round is 2 pi. If I complete one full round, it is 2 pi. If I complete one more round, that is for 2 rounds, angle is 2 pi plus 2 pi. It is 4 pi. 4 pi. This is the angle for 2 complete rounds. If I complete one more round, third round, angle for 3 complete rounds is 6 pi. So next 8 pi. So on. Remember that. You observe, students, on right side, you can see even numbers. Even numbers are multiplied to pi. That means even multiples of pi. Even multiples of pi. Even multiples of pi. Come to left side. Here we have pi. If I complete one full round, if I complete one full round ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ I should add 360 degree. 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi 3 pi. 3 pi. If I wish to complete one more round, third round, I should add 2 pi. ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 pi ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 2 pi plus 3 pi 5 pi. So on. Odd multiples of pi. Odd numbers. Odd multiples. Odd multiples of pi. I hope you understood that. Now, so you come to this. Suppose if it is 3 pi by 4. Settings. You look at this. I am going to explain some tips, logics, how to set. Whatever the angle is, you set, you write pi. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, pi by 4 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, pi ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, pi by 4 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 4 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now you decide the sign. ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. If I write plus ಬರೆದ್ರೆ LCM 4 pi plus pi 5 pi. I am not getting this. I should write minus. You practice like this. So one more. If it is 11 pi by 6, set ಮಾಡಿ 11 pi by 6. pi ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, pi by 6 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sin plus ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 6 pi plus pi 7 pi. I am not getting it. minus ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಬರಲ್ಲ. If this is the case, you go for adding numbers. Numbers add ಮಾಡಿ. 6 2s are 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? minus. So right. This is how we add. 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta ಯಾವ quadrant? Fourth quadrant. 2 pi plus theta first quadrant. 4 pi minus theta fourth quadrant. 4 pi plus theta first quadrant. Right. One more. Let us take the questions which are in your textbook. 31 pi by 3. 31 pi by 3. Set this. 31 pi by 3. Set ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ. So pi ಬರೀರಿ, pi by 3 ಬರೀರಿ. So right. How much should I write? 10 ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? 10. So 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. 10 pi plus pi by 3. Easy. Understanding? 10 pi plus pi by 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? First quadrant. 8 pi. Even numbers ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಲಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Odd numbers ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಡಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So right. I said one more from your textbook. So right. 11 pi by 4. So 19 pi by 3. You take 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. So right, you write pi by 3. 3 6 I think. 6 pi. Where are you looking? 6. 3 6 18. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು plus 6 pi. Even numbers ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆನೆ 6 pi plus theta first quadrant. Even numbers, odd numbers ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ. Usually ನಿಮಗೆ even numbers ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I hope you understood. Let us go for discussing if it is in degrees. Degrees ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. So let us think of degrees. 1710 degree. 1710 degree. So right. Now you take your calculator. Calculator ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So right. Now let us take the angle which is in degrees. Here we are given 1710 degree. You take your calculator, multiply 360 degree by the numbers 2. 360 into 2. So 360 into 2. So tell me how much is this? 720. 720. Am I correct? So that into 2. It does not work. You should go near to this angle. You try with 4. 360 into 4. Into 4. So tell me that time. So it is 1440 degree. Still we should go near. So you try with 5. 360. You calculate. Don't try to. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಹತ್ತಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ. 360 into 5. 360 into 5. 360 into 5. It is 1800. 360 into 5. 1800 degree. 1800 degree. I think we got the nearest angle. Which one is nearest, students? This one or this one? I think this is nearest. ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಅಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಗಲ್. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು? ಇದು. ರೈಟ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1800 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 18000 ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 90 degree. So 90 degree. 1800 degree minus 90 degree gives us 1710 degree. Correct? This is how we set. 1800 degree means 5 into 360. 5 into 360 degree minus 90 degree. Clearly it is in the form 360 minus theta. Fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta. Right? Okay. So I take one more angle. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So one more is 765 degree. 765 degree. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 765 ನಿಯರ್ ಟು 720 ನಿಯರ್ ಟು 720 ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 720 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 720 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 720 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 45 ಬರೀಬಹುದು 720 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 into 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೊ 2 into 360 degree plus 45 degree means it is in the form 360 degree plus theta 360 plus theta so 360 plus theta 360 plus theta means which quadrant is that first quadrant I hope you got it ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ right now let us go for the solving problems right look at this students I have taken a question find the value of sin 31 pi by 3 so write sin 31 pi by 3 I explained just before I explained how to set sin first you write pi by 3 pi ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ pi by 3 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ pi ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಲಿ pi by 3 pi ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 3 pi ಪ್ಲಸ್ pi 4 pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು 10 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ 10 3s are 30 30 plus 1 31 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಈಗ 10 pi ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 2 pi 4 pi so on 10 pi ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇವನ್ 10 pi plus theta ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ 10 pi plus theta 10 pi plus theta you move in anti clockwise direction ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ so 10 pi plus theta which quadrant is that first quadrant in first quadrant all are positive or negative positive function change ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲ್ಲ 10 pi 360 degree pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ right sin tell me reference angle in this case pi by 3 angle theta ಎಷ್ಟು pi by 3 now sin 60 pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 60 or 30 60 ಹಂಗೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180 ನ 18 ಅನ್ನು 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 6 ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 18 ಅನ್ನು 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 6 18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಬರೋದಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ how much is sin 60 degree value √3/2 I told you to buy at the value standard values buy at ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇವು right okay students so let us stop this class we shall continue in the next class